What? Oh, hold on.
Renee, so I'm glad you're here.
Oh, thank
So
you.
once you figure out your little Chinese algebra calculations, right? You got your wet bulb number, right? And your indoor temperature, and you figured out, hey, your target superheat is going to be 15.
15?
Yep, and that's how we're going to charge the system. You already
Are
purchased
you
the
recording
lines.
already? Okay.
Yeah, you already hooked it all up,
Uh-huh.
right? So it's 410A. There's your current numbers. We're about to crank it up.
All right.
And have at it.
You ready?
Yep.